How to do reverse parking. Signal white and pick an empty spot. Now label it as 1 and count 1, 2, 3 like this. Now line up your shoulder in the middle of the third spot like this. Shift the gear to reverse and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right until it locks. From the straight position, it will be 1.5 times in most of the cars. Now, take your foot off the brake gently and start reversing slowly. Stop when the car is straight. Straighten out the steering wheel by turning it 1.5 times in the opposite direction, which is to the left side in this case. Now, as you reverse, check your mirrors and go carefully into the spot. When fully in, put the gear in park and pull the handbrake. Make sure to subscribe for more driving videos.